Hi guys, how can you create a sword glow effect in Photoshop? First, open your image and create a duplicate copy of the background layer. Next, use the Object Selection tool or Quick Selection tool to select the sword. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl+J to place the sword on a separate layer. Convert the sword layer into a smart object. Now go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 11.1 pixels and press OK. Duplicate the blurred layer. Apply Gaussian blur again and set the radius to 40.1 pixels. Create another duplicate and apply Gaussian blur with a radius of 81.2 pixels. Duplicate the layer once more and apply Gaussian blur with a radius of 153.2 pixels. These multiple blur layers will build up the glow effect. Hold Shift and select all the sword glow layers, then place them into a group. With the group selected, add a hue/saturation adjustment layer. And enable the clipping mask option. Set Saturation 100. Adjust the hue slider to choose your glow color. For this example, a blue or blue-green glow works well. Now open the layer style of the glow group, enable outer glow and use settings similar to blend mode, linear dodge, add opacity 68%. Choose a contour you like for the glow shape. Adjust the size and spread until the sword emits a strong, realistic glow. Next, select the character's face area using the Object Selection tool. Press Ctrl+J to place the selection on a new layer. Convert it into a smart object. Open Layer Style and enable Color Overlay. Use the same glow color as the sword so the light appears to reflect naturally on the character. Set the Color Overlay blend mode to Color Dodge and adjust the opacity to taste. Now group all the glow-related layers together. For the final touch, add a levels adjustment layer above everything. Adjust the middle slider to around 0.71 to increase contrast and make the glow stand out. And that's it. This is before and this is after. This is how you can create a realistic sword glow effect. A cinematic glowing sword with matching light reflected onto the character.